We are dominated by nature. Asize idomu zemvelo. Yeah, this is what we're talking about. Yeah, lezi zinto lezi bengithi ngifuna ukuzikhuluma nje nami. Mase ngikuthintela kancane uLettuce. Uyawuthanda uLettuce. Uyawuthanda uLettuce. Abantu abaningi ngiyaya kuLettuce besifazane abahanjwa ngeqiniso kufakwa ama-condom bahanjwe ebunuku. Uthola ukuthi abantu abaningi besifazane abadayisa umzimba imbangela yokugula kwabo be-retire i-cancer yesibeletho because of ama-condoms. Ama-condoms, do you know why they are so soft? Kunale lubrication lana. La lubrication lana yenziwe nge-benzopyrene. I-benzopyrene, it is a solvent. It's not made ukuthi ifeed umzimba womuntu. Ngalo ndlela abantu abadayisa umzimba isikhathi esiningi bahlushwa yileyo nto ke le. Ngoba lo fluid isuka iningi ngaphakathi kubona. Isuka iningi le fluid le ephuma la kwi-condom. Thereafter, when the time goes by, mase beba nenkinga ye-cancer yesibeletho from the extreme use of a condom. That is why amazwe amaningi oKazakhstan, Uzbekistan awekho nje ama-condom. Awekho. Hayi ukuthi awasetshenziswa, ngisho ukuthi awekho. Then size kuLettuce. uLettuce ngake ngafundisa ngawo uLettuce. uLettuce angeke ukwazi ukuwasha. Ngathi uyakwazi ukuwasha ukudla, ngeke uzokwazi ukuwasha uLettuce. Awufani neklabishi. uLettuce unamagumba amaningi acashile. Kugcwele amaqanda laphana. Amaqanda ama-worms. Ilapha ama-worms azalela shiye khona amaqanda awo. And those worms, they'll grow inside your stomach. Because uLettuce awuphekwa. You eat it raw. Those worms, eggs are there. Come to pork. Your pork, it has eggs. Ey'kelemu, ey'ngcili. If you are eating your pork, you know that you're eating fried worms. Is it right to eat fried worms? Knowing very well I'm eating worms there. But at least they are fried. Why should we be eating worms that are fried? Mina ngingele ukuthi pork is haram nonsense. Ngihlanza ukuthi pork is not clean. That's all. Pork is not clean, and after your lettuce is pork and lettuce, to me it's same thing. It's not clean. It's not clean. Your cheese is not clean. It has tartrazine. Your bread toast is not clean. It has tungsten. You understand? These things must be educated, but so that people they'll do things that